dear children. Welcome to Standard 4th subject Moral Science. Today I am going to take new lesson, Chapter 6, Hard Work, the Key to Success. Okay. Hard work doing only, then only we will success in our life. Each person is born with a lot of talents and abilities, but that alone does not make a person successful. To succeed in life, one has to work hard. One who hard work only, he will only his life will become successful. Raju belonged to the poor family. Raju belonged to a poor family, but he was clever in studies. Unfortunately, he lost his parents while he was in the 10th standard. When he was studying 10th standard, his parents died. Then he lost his parents. His uncle took him along with him. His uncle take his home. He was very cruel. He made Raju work in the field. They have field and all. Then he do all the work there. And this picture we can see Raju is cutting the grains and all. Then that man is very cruel. Uncle is very cruel man. Uncle was a cruel man. He made Raju work in the field. Raju could not attend school regularly. In spite of all this, Raju worked hard and studied well. This much hard work and was giving, then also he studied well. He cannot attend regularly in the class. Then also he studied. He stood first in the class in the board examination. He stood the board examination. He got the first rank. How could Raju succeed? Only through his determination and hard work. His determination was, I want to study well, and then so much work on also giving. Then also he was the one aim in his mind. Then he is for that he hard work. While not rested, he used to study at night. Sachin Tendulkar is a famous cricketer. Vishwanathan Anand is a very famous chess player. Ahivnav Vindra is an Olympic gold medalist. Ask them about the secret of their success. Their only answer will be hard work. They all hard work. Then that is why they got success in their life. Hard work means doing regular and sincere practice in whatever we do. It's very essential for a student. This is very essential for student. We have to whatever things we doing, we have to regular in our sincere in our studies and to practice. Through practice only we will get the essential. Some students fail in the exams because they are very lazy. They never make an offer to study daily. To get marks in the exam, one has to study from the beginning. We should spend more time studying, especially the difficult subjects. If we think that it is enough to learn when the exam are near, we are mistaken. It will be like waiting till the entire water flows away to build the dam. Then we will think when exam is coming, that time enough for study. That time I can study. That will be think it is wrong. We have to study what getting that day itself. You have to study it. hard work is required not only for success in studies and examination. Whatever work we do, we should do it well. We need to work hard. Hard work improves our performance and enhances our result. Athletes, musicians, instrumentalists, etc. all put in years of practice just for a few seconds performance. Just for a few minutes, few seconds performance, they all hard work. Daily we have to hard work. What all things we do, maybe for running, song, speech, or drawing, what all things we doing, that we have to every day practice it. Then only we will success in our life. Okay. We students, our main duty is to study well. For that we should have the determination and the will to work hard. The main reason for our success, our failure is we ourselves and our way of doing things. Our success or failure, what all things coming in our life, we are the person to face these all things. Okay. We as students, we have to, what is our duty now? This is study well. Okay. Then if we are success or failure, that main reason ourselves only. Okay. Children, you have to read the lesson. This is homework for this lesson. Then exam and all, I know test paper and all coming second semester. Sorry, second unit test now going on. Then this moral science and all, you will semester exams only. Then you have to semester after that only. Then unit test you don't have moral science exam. That is why I taken this class. Then you have to read the lesson if you get time. Then if you can study your next unit test and all, you have to prepare for that. Okay. Okay, thank you children. Next time we will meet again.